So, my name is Jesse Thacker, and I took the CNC machinist program out here at ACTC in 2011. So, my goal when I came to this school to be able to go into the industry and do something that I really enjoy and I really love. Because I'm a gearhead at heart, I've always found an interest in how mechanical things come together. I've worked in oil and gas for the last almost 8 years. And I've worked on parts and spun parts on machines that weigh 25,000 pounds. And to be able to do that, it's not something everybody can say that they've done. And technology is just increasing at a rapid rate. I felt like machining has a huge impact on manufacturing and where we are today in this world. Finding a machinist job is pretty easy, especially around here, everybody's trying to find them. You know, my first job out of here was at a mom and pop shop. I was running 4 or 5 different machines. Every day I was running a different machine, and that was within the first week. I mean, I went in there really comfortable, and I felt like I had good knowledge to start off and help these people as soon as I walked in. ACTC has helped me with the foundation I needed to move into this industry really comfortably. A better life. Ashland Community and Technical College.